Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo, and today I'm headed into Walmart to look at all the fall decor that has finally arrived in my Walmart, and I thought I'd bring you with me. Let's go shopping. Right off the bat, I'm noticing lots of burgundy here today. They have a super cute hanging wooden truck for $8.98 in two versions. This one with a green welcome sign at the bottom, and this one in burgundy. Something else I'm noticing is that they have a lot of pieces of farmhouse decor that you could use year-round, like these little signs for $3.98. For $9.97, they did weather vanes. Now these look like they would be heavy, but they are a very light rustic metal. It comes in a pig, a rooster, and a cow. They also did some nesting baskets, this larger one for $6.97 with a handle on it. The medium is $5.97 and the smaller one for $4.97. And speaking of baskets, they did a tobacco basket like they did back at Easter. This one is quite a bit larger for $8.97. I only found it in the natural wood tone. This one is really large. I'd guess probably close to a 16-inch square. Now we'll get into quite a few hanging signs, starting off with these little critters for just under $6 a piece. They have these hanging mason jar pieces. They are just under $8, and bless all who gather here in the sunflowers and give thanks with a grateful heart on the pumpkins. For $4.44, they have some really nice hanging metal signs. This one on black in welcome. They also have a happy fall mason jar, and this version in sort of a red, gather with grateful hearts. Down below for $9.98, they have a pray without ceasing wooden sign with a jute hanger and lots of little tabletop critters for just under $3. This year, they're putting out plenty of small box signs. All of these are just $4.88 a piece, and I found it in three versions. Now for some scarecrows. They have some really cute ones to choose from in quite a few different looks and versions. A few had couple pairs that you could get a boy and girl in. These are the standing, and they have quite a few sitting. I love this little couple with their burgundy hats and green outfits. Now this little guy, I only found a boy in, so maybe he's just the chaperone. Those are just $7.98 a piece. Now back into some hanging signs. Now these are super heavy, made of MDF, and I found it in three versions: Simply Blessed, Autumn Blessings, and this one on pumpkins and Give Thanks. They brought back their two little vertical signs. These are great little buys for under $4 in Blessed and Welcome. And if you like little critters, you might like this hanging vertical sign for $3.62. It comes in three versions and different sayings. And now for some more farmhouse. They have these hanging signs in a corrugated metal in the cow, rooster, and pig for just under $7. They also have some text tabletop signs in two sayings and two finishes. The wood and the whitewash both come in blessed as well as thankful. Something I completely forgot to pick up are these little pumpkins for $2.98 in green, cream, and burnt orange. And hands down, in my opinion, the cutest thing they put out this year are these little salt box houses. I have been hoping to find these. They are just under $6 at $5.98. And next to those for $3.98, they have a white wooden pumpkin in Good Morning Pumpkin. And now for some more signs. This one in Welcome with the Scarecrow and Harvest with the pumpkin. They also did a knockoff of the canisters from Michael's for just under $7. For $5.24, they did a few more hanging wooden pumpkin signs and a beautiful wreath. This one is $19.97 with lots of cream, a little bit of pine cones, and that burnt orange that I love this season. Down here they have a few ceramic luminaries. These are just under $4 in green, mustard, and burgundy, and some ceramic scarecrows for under $7 in 2 versions and colors. And now for some mini signs for $2.84. These little square signs are the perfect size for tiered trays. They have 4 other versions in rectangles. This one in Give Thanks to the Lord, Grateful, Thankful, and Blessed with a little bit of copper. This one, All Things Are Possible with Faith, and Always Say Grace. For $4.98, they did a set of little birdies in fall outfits. And for $5.97, they did these planked wooden pumpkins in the burnt orange and green. For $7.42, they brought back this beautiful creamy white blessed pumpkin. They had that one out last year. For $5.98, they did a few different autumn crosses. And for $6.44, they did a metal galvanized corrugated cross. These little signs are back from last year for $3.47. It comes in 3 versions. This one in pumpkin spice is in my collection. They also have it in the white version. Next to those for $7.44, they do have some adorable scarecrows. These definitely remind me of something we've seen at places like Big Lots. A few more smaller signs for $3.74 in 3 different color schemes. And for $3.44, a few small tabletop signs in the crow, raccoon, and fox. Next to those, they have lots of miniature ceramic pumpkins for $3. And for $3.98, they have quite a few sisal creatures to choose from, and some larger ceramic pumpkins for just under $10. For $3.86, they have a few garden stakes to choose from. This one in Happy Harvest on a pumpkin. They also did some adorable trucks. This one in teal is absolutely adorable for under $3. They also have it in the red truck and the squirrel in Welcome. Now getting into some of their pumpkins, they did some patchwork fabric stuffed pumpkins. These are just adorable and under $4 a piece. Down below, they did a great job with some of their faux pumpkins and gourds. Again this year, these are all $5.96 for the larger ones. And these Cinderella pumpkins are absolutely to die for in the burnt orange. I also found it in a creamy white. There are some more medium-sized pumpkins like these for $3, and plenty of the smaller 98-cent pumpkins to choose from. Love this burgundy one. They also have quite a few with glitter, also for 98 cents. I always love to see the pumpkins Walmart puts out and their floral. So now let's take a field trip back to the floral department by fabric so I can show you guys some of the great buys. They have lots of autumn leaves to choose from in $3 bundles and some beautiful $5 bouquets. I think this one with the berries could even stick around through the holidays. A lot of these bouquets for $5 have burgundy in them, so you could just remove the pieces that remind you of fall after the season. This is another one of their $5 bouquets with the sunflowers, and in some creamy white versions, this one with a sunflower. And speaking of sunflowers, I think one of the best buys this year is this bundle of 5 white sunflowers for $3. They also have the $3 bundles in mums, and check out their picks for 97 cents. They have some beautiful heather and these in the pumpkin I used in my fall home tour. I hope you all enjoyed coming with me to Walmart to look at their fall decor this year. I'm so glad it's finally out at my store. Let me know in the comments below. Has it hit your stores? Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.